Yeah, it's a short presentation. First of all, overview about Sunway communication, what we are doing. Then the different plating technologies used at Sunway Communications. I will present a new process. We call it LSCA, Laser Structuring Chemical Activation. And some application examples, just some pictures from different industries, and very important, reliability, robustness of the plated circuit. Actually, if you do a part and it doesn't work at the end of the day, you can scrap it. It's not an innovation. It's not to use. So the most important part is at the end, actually. Sunway Communication is a global company based in Shenzhen in China, and we have research and development facilities in Europe, in the USA, in Japan and Korea. In Europe, our headquarters is in Sweden since 2012, and in Switzerland, this is the company I created with my team actually 2 years ago. We are working now for Sunway. By the way, my name is Nouhad Bachnak. I'm working in the 3D MID or plastronics industry since more than 15 years. Before that, I started my professional career in the automotive industry in Germany. Now we are based in Switzerland, and we are concentrated on 3D plastronics or 3D MID, how you call it. So we have more than $1 billion in revenue, and more than 10,000 employees worldwide, and we invest heavily in research and development. It's about 10%, 9-10% of our revenue invested in new product or in R&D. We have a very broad range of plating technologies. I will not explain all the plating technologies, just to show you that there are many different ways to make a circuit on 2D or 3D geometry. I would say this one is better than the other one. Just every technology has its plus and minuses, and it's good for something. Otherwise, you will not use it. And if you do something new, I would say you have to have your niche, or you have to offer something with a better reliability, better function, or better price. Otherwise, the customer don't care whether it's new or not. It has to work. It has to offer some benefits to the customer. I will today present the LSCA process. I marked the LDS because it's the most known process in the industry. LDS means laser direct structuring. Actually, you have a three-dimensional plastic part. Inside of the plastic, there is an additive. When you laser it, you activate this additive where you have lasered, and after that, you put this part in a chemical copper bath. It attracts copper, and the rest is like PCB. You can do thin or nickel gold. Nickel gold is the most known process. Here's the explanation of the process. Is actually not totally new. All the single process steps are well known, whether it's laser structuring or chemical activation or chemical plating, but the combination of these single processes, they make the new process. If you compare that with LDS, you need an additive inside of the plastic. Here we don't need any additive, so we can take every plastic part. We can take glass, PCB, PET, whatever substrate, ceramic, and we can plate it. And how we come to this invention of this process, actually we got projects where we have to have a circuit on bio-compatible materials. So if you have a bio-compatible material and you add this additive for LDS, it's not biocompatible anymore. So how to plate it? There are some other processes like palladium plating. We have tried many things, they didn't work. So we come to this process actually by working on solving problems. If you look at the laser structuring on the right side, this is a 3D laser. They exist in the industry actually. There's possibility